Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well at your home. Okay, so today we are going to learn the third lesson, and its title is How the Cat Became. So we are going to deal with a lesson. It's about cats. Okay, now you can find a cat's picture in your textbook, and six small boxes are there. In that box you have to write what all the words that come to your mind when you think of a cat. Okay, when I think about a cat, some words are coming that I am going to write. Okay, soft, then here friendly, and now you have to think about a cat and you have to write what all the things that come to your mind. And before that, one question is given here. Do you like cats? Now you have to tell me, do you like cats? I like cats because it's very friendly. Its skin is very soft, and it's looking very nice, very beautiful, and they are very adorable. Okay, all these reasons I like cats. Now you have to take your notebook and you have to give the heading. You have to give the heading. Do you like cats? And then you have to reason why. If you like cats, you have to write why you like cats. You have to write the reason. If you don't like cats also, you have to write the reasons. What is the reason that you don't like cats? Okay, now, and do you know of any odd habits that cats have? Odd habits means very strange character. The character that is entirely different from others. So you have to write that also. Now, so we are going to study about a cat. Is very lazy. So all the animals in the wood means forest. Okay, all animals in the forest worked hard all day for food and shelter, except cat. Through the day he lazed around, and at night he played the violin, and which would disturb the creatures of the whole forest. For others, this music was a waste of time, and they did not like our cat's lazy nature. Okay, this is the story, and gradually we will know what is happening in this story. So, the small forest was full of animals that worked hard all day for food and shelter. So, all the animals in the forest except our cat, they are working hard from day to night. For what? A whole day they are working for food and shelter. Okay. However, the odd one was cat, the strange one. The odd one was cat, who did not do much work. He spent the entire lazing around. He just moving around without doing any work. And at night, what will he do? At night, he showed off how well he could play the violin. So on the night, he used to play his violin. And during daytime, what that cat do? He just moving around. Of course, the other creatures of the forest did not like this. They spoke to him one day. So one day they actually spoke to him about this nature and all. And now we are going to find out what they told him and what cat did next. Okay. Cat was really oddity. Oddity means a strange or unusual animal. It's not just like other animals. The others did not know what to make of him at all. What to make of him at all means understand him. They actually don't know why the cat is behaving like this. So they did not know what this cat is doing. He lived in a hollow tree in the wood. In the forest, the small forest, he lived in a hollow tree. Here, there is a hollow in the tree, and the cat used to live there. Every night, when the rest of the creatures were sound asleep, he returned. Returned means what? Huh? Yes, left to rust. He returned to the depths of his tree. Then such sounds, such screechings, wailings and wailings. That means tuneless loud sound. So all other animals just started sleeping, or just they sound asleep. He will make all these sounds, such irritating, such boring sounds he makes. The bats that slept upside down all day long in the hollows of the tree branches awoke with a start and fled with their wingtips stuffed into their ears. By hearing all these sounds made by the cat, they awoke. It seemed to them that cat was having the worst nightmares 10 at a time. So they just think that our cat is seeing some nightmares. Nightmares means what? Frightening. Frightening dreams. We can't say it as dreams. We can only say it as nightmares. But no, cat was tuning his violin. Actually, what was happening there? Actually, the cat was adjusting the strings of his violin. He was just tuning. He was just playing with his cat. Just look at that cat, children. How irritating he is. He don't know how to behave. He don't have any manners. He just irritating others. He just even don't think about others. He only think about himself. Do you think that this cat's behavior is good? Children, we have to know how to behave well. It's the main aim. Okay, next class we can study this chapter in detail. Today this is enough for you children. Thank you and have a nice day.